so many great things to do here on the Suncoast, and taking care of a yard and a house are not always at the top of our list. In today's Suncoast for Sale, Realtor Andrew Haddad brings us maintenance-free homes that are on the market right now. But first, Andrew, I just got back from vacation, and I just got the bad news.
Don't blame me, I didn't do it.
Interest rates went up.
You know, it's always good to pay close attention to the mortgage interest rates. I mean, because they're always changing incrementally every single day. Yet there's these rate hikes that the Federal Reserve gives us. So, I mean, we study, the local economists are predicting 3 more interest rate hikes through the course of 2018.
How does this impact what you do with the home sales?
Absolutely. So it's a really big impact. So to give you an example, a hike of just 0.5% in interest rate will affect either the buyer's purchasing power or your mortgage payment. So for example, average $300,000 house on a mortgage payment, that could be a little over $100 extra per month.
Which is a lot.
Which is a lot. Yep, exactly that. And then as far as purchasing power, let's say the buyers were qualified up to $300,000 and they can't, their budget is $1,500 a month. Now they have to start looking in the $285,000 range.
Which takes away
$15,000. So it's a big deal for both buyers and sellers from an urgency standpoint. Again, it's always fluctuating, yet the economy's good. And what are they going to do? They're going to raise the interest rates to balance everything
And
out.
don't wait, because they're going up again.
That's right.
Let's buy now. Okay, maintenance-free. I like the idea of that.
Absolutely. Well, let's jump right in, because I got some really great ones today.
Okay.
All right. We are first going to start in Hidden Bay at Lake Vista. Now, this is an Osprey, which I love Osprey. You're going to see Casey Key in the background over there. $250,000. Now, not only maintenance-free, look at this, $250,000. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a den, almost 1,500 square foot, completely maintenance-free. You're looking out over a beautiful lake. We have sunsets in the background. Beautiful open floor plan, though. Nice and simple with the 2 bedrooms. We also have a flex room in the front that can be used as a craft room or a hobby room. What I'm mostly excited, though, about this condo is the community itself. It's a gated community, resort-style living. We have heated pool, spa, they have tennis, pickleball, kayaks. Again, you're right on the water, and you're really close to Blackburn Point, also Casey Key Marina. So for the boating enthusiasts, they can keep their boat right there. And I mean, again, Sarasota, Osprey, $250,000 for a condo like that.
And if anything happens, you don't have to fix it. It's not your problem.
I agree, 100%.
Oh, I love that. Now, this is cute. Look at that.
So I wanted to bring this. Maintenance free is not just, just yard work and all that kind of stuff. This is the house itself. And I found this house, again, right in the heart of Sarasota. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at our price point, under $300,000. You're looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, never lived in, just completed in 2017. The construction is what excited me about this property. Metal roof, 175-mile-an-hour hurricane windows, also our spray foam insulation, the insulation, the roof from the construction of this, tankless water heater, spray foam insulation. I mean, this thing is virtually maintenance-free.
Oh, I love that in a
based
place.
on the construction.
It's adorable.
It is.
3-bedroom, great location in Sarasota.
Everything you need.
Brand new. I mean, granite, everything. Great price point. I'm just blown away by these price points.
This is amazing. So, what about condo fees? If you're looking at condos,
absolutely. I can touch base on that right now.
No, let's do this house.
That's what. Okay, perfect.
Let's do one more.
I got one more for you. Look at this. Now, this is at just over $300,000. This is Sunrise Cove on the all-famous Siesta Key.
Wow.
Again, this is just a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, granite countertops, amazing views, right on the bay. This is turnkey furnished. Again, this is highly amenitized, maintenance-free, yet 1-bedroom, 1-bath in this community. This condo brings $3,000 a month in income.
Wow.
You asked earlier about the condo fees.
Yeah.
The condo fees for this community being on the water are $51 per month. This is a little cash cow. This could be a second home. This could be an amazing rental. You could buy this and literally rent it out immediately. There's no waiting period. You can also keep your boat there.
Oh, and then
Sunrise
you could
Cove.
stay there yourself, because
Or
I
stay
would
there
really
yourself.
love to live in a
That's
place
right.
like that. That
I
is
totally agree.
so
I agree.
neat.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay, are we ready for the dream house?
Well, let's talk condo fees.
Yeah, sure.
So you mentioned that those, those were in the 400s at
Mm-hmm.
Siesta Key. Is there an average what we can expect to pay in a maintenance-free situation?
You know, on Siesta Key, they're always going to be higher.
Yeah.
You know, you're factoring in insurance costs for the community,
right.
flood insurance,
Yeah.
wind mitigation, all those
Zone
fees.
A.
$451, yeah, Zone A. $451 is actually on the lower side of what I've seen on Siesta Key. They can, I mean, some communities can go up to $1,000
So
a
you're
month.
paying
Yeah.
for location, obviously,
paying
and
for
protection.
location.
What about inland?
Inland, with the fees are, you know what, I would say they hover probably, they're different from community to community.
Right.
$300, I would say,
Okay.
$300 to
Yeah.
$350
So some of the
inland.
budget.
It's going to depend on whether the community is gated. The amenities are a really big deal as well. Also, what's included? We're looking
Yeah.
at maintenance. Are the lawns, are the shrubs, are the
Right.
irrigation, are all those things included into the fees? You got to factor that in as
Yeah,
well.
because I pay almost $300 for lawns.
What
so
if
totally.
it's what if it's a dream home?
I've been
Speaking of-
looking
dream home.
forward to
It's a dream
this
home,
so
we don't worry
long.
about
Yeah, well, you're gonna love this one. The fees in this one, I believe, are just about $100 a month. This is in Inglewood. I absolutely love this property, Inglewood Isles. At right at $1 million, you walk in, stunning waterfront,
Lovely.
custom-built estate, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 4,300 square feet. This is right on the water.
Gosh, that's pretty reasonable for $1
Very
million.
reasonable. Absolutely.
I mean, that's a lot of house.
Gourmet chef's kitchen. We have all professional appliances, full-length Roman shower, the clawfoot tubs, beautiful 2-story living areas.
Oh,
Not only when you walk
lovely.
in, but in the living area, lagoon-style pool with California walk-in style pool there. Again, you're right on the water. Keep your boats, keep your kayaks. At $1 million for a dream home on the water,
Yeah.
I would take that
that's
every single day.
unbelievable.
Me too.
Oh, awesome,
Absolutely.
Andrew.
You're very
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
Yeah.
You give us something to think about.
I love it.
And you can find out more because he's got lots more houses to show you. Sellingtosuncoast.com is where you can see pictures and find more information. Next, Bradenton Business is here, and they're going to tell us about a big award they won.